Hello, in this video, we will look at numeric type conversions. You can assign 34.7 to int variable I. What happens? The fractional part 0.7 is truncated, so I becomes 34. You can now assign I is 34 to f is a double variable. F becomes 34, no problem. And you assign 34.3 into G, and now assign G to J. So what is J? And J is int. So the fraction part of the in G is now truncated. J now becomes 34. Can you perform binary operations with two operands of different types? Yes. If an integer and a floating point number are involved in a binary operation, C++ automatically converts the integer into a floating point value. So this 3 times 4.5 is same as 3.0 times 4.5. C++ also allows you to convert a value from one type to another explicitly using the casting operator. The syntax is this: static cast, the type, and the value. So for example, we're gonna write this 1.7, I'm gonna cast it into integer and display this. The result is 1. Another example here is 1 is integer, now is cast to double, becoming 1.0 divided by 2. So the result is 0.5 is displayed. If you write 1.1 divided by 2, integer operation, and the result is going to be 0. All right, so now let's look at this example. We're going to use casting to display the 2 digits after decimal point. So I'm going to have this. This is my program here. Is prompt the user to enter this purchase amount, and now purchase amount times 6%, getting the text. So we're going to display only 2 digits after the decimal point. So let's write this here. First, I'm going to have this as the syntax. Okay. So see what happens if I use this and run this program. Okay, I'm going to run this program and see what happens. Is you are getting this is 11.853. Okay. So if I only want 85 without this 3, so what I can do for now is coming here. This is the tax. This is the tax, sales tax. So I'm going to move this point 2 positions to the right. And then we're going to cast this number into integer. So we're going to get rid of this 3. And after that, we're going to divide it by 100.0. So what I'm going to do is static, right here, I'm going to write static cast this into it, but I'm going to do this times 100. So move the decimal point 2 positions. So this is something here, the number. So whatever, let's do this now, divided by 100.0. Now look, this is what you have before. So this is what you have before. So if you just have a text here, this is what you have before. So this, you got to this 3 right here. So now I'm going to rewrite this and run this, and you're going to see 3 is now truncated. So now it's the, so we have a mistake right here. It's missing this default constant. So here is static cast. This is text times 100 divided by 100.0. So there's no space right here. Now run the program here. And this is what I have. 3 is gone. So I use casting here. Later in chapter 4, we're going to introduce the Runt function. You can use Runt function to achieve better result. You can run it. Now it's just truncate it. So we're going to see it in chapter 4. That's all for this section. See you on the next video.